Hello and welcome to Developing Developers. This is Abhishek and I'm here with another video on how to organize your projects in Android Studio or any Intellij IDEA product. So when you're working on a lot of projects, it can get a little messy to organize them. So there's a neat handy trick to just organize them in folders like learning, personal projects, then tutorials, clients, open source and references. So how to do that? It's just right click on any of the project and just click on new project group. Give it a name, say sample group, click enter. And to add the project, just click on the project again, move to the group and sample project. There you go. So you can add as many projects as you want in the group. So, and another neat trick to open projects, like you don't have to just click on open existing project and browse through all the projects. No, what you can do is you can just go to the folder, say I want to open this project, so just drag and drop and it will open automatically. It will load just as if you are opening from that option. Thank you for watching this small tutorial on how to organize projects. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks.